Alright, quick little vid on how to change the battery out on this Dell Inspiron 15. This is a 5547 model. And this one it's several years old. Our oldest child uses it now here at the house, and yeah, it just battery won't hold a charge. Time to swap it out. Real easy. And if you are wondering where your model number is, down here you flip it over the back, and I don't know how well this will focus. You can find out your model information right there, lower left corner there. Alright, let's take a look at the battery. I picked this up from Amazon.com, 30 bucks. I'll put the link down below if you want to give that a good starting point. Let's open this up. It does come with a couple little kind of one-time use screwdrivers, but you can use these more as long as the head's good. You got a Phillips head and looks like a little star head, so that's nice. Foam. We have the battery itself. So laptop upside down, we got to remove this back panel here. You got a screw here, then it just pops off basically. And I'm going to go ahead and use a screwdriver I already have out. Get these removed. Trying to reach around the camera here and not bump it. So a little bit of an awkward view. Now right here is a little divot cut out. Get a plastic tool, a little spudger, something, get underneath there, and then you can use your fingers, pry up. Just run your little tool across and the panel will come off like that. If you don't have a little plastic tool like that, carefully use a flathead, and I say carefully. You don't want to damage anything on the inside. There's our battery, and you can see everything matches up. Now there are 4 screws on this battery we're going to remove. Here, 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 and right there. And we'll lift it up with that little tabby. Out, lift up on this tab, and that tab has come off. That's alright. If that happens to you, again, get your little plastic tool or a screwdriver and really pry your nail. Okay. Lift up and slide out. There's your connections for the battery there. Set the old worn out one aside. Alright, new battery. There's 4 little ears on this side, and we're going to line those up, angle this in, get those started, tilt this side back down, make sure it's all the way seated over towards the right side as we're looking at it on this camera here. And then your teeth should seat for your connector there. Push down right here. You can see the old one actually has push there. This replacement does not. Everything's seated. Reinstall screws. Snug them down. Everything looks good. Reinstall cover. You can see all your little plastic tabs. So you want to dip it in this way first. Get everything lined up. Snap it back down into place. Reinstall your 2 screws. Job done. Follow your manufacturer instructions. They say discharge it to 3%, then fully charge it. You'll find online, they'll say just plug it in, make sure you charge it for at least 12 hours or at least 6 hours. A lot of voodoo stuff going in there, but these are lithium-ion batteries, and these laptops have a nice little safety feature to keep them from being overcharged. There it is. I can do it, you can do it. $30. resurrected the laptop. Yeah. Boom.